Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係林執少 Joseph Lin, along with Leo, and today we're going to teach you a Hakka idiom. Leo, 今天我们再来教这个客家谚语好了。
好。
有没有比较简单一点、那有趣的谚语呢？可以介绍给大家。
我来教一句，就是跟做人要勤劳有关系的。
哦，这一定要的，勤劳这个个性呢才会成功。
现在介绍这一句叫做“田愛年年多，屋愛朝朝收”。
田愛年年多，屋愛朝朝收。有一点听懂，可是有点听不懂哎。什么东西要日日？
对
，something you have to do every day, something you have to do every day. OK， 到底是什么？第一句。
好，田愛年年多就是田要每天都到。
哦，如果有耕田，
对，
哦，要每天到哦，有在慢慢的耕耘，然后这样子才会好丰收嘛，
对啊，
对不对？
所以种田的人是真的很辛苦。你看，不管刮风下雨，每天都一定要到田里头去看看水呀，什么施施肥呀，什么都好。
一定要的，田。Okay, so the first part of this idiom is if you have a farm, you have to visit the farm every day, meaning you have to put effort into it every second, every day.
第二段呢，这个你应该就没有做到，就是屋愛朝朝收，就是房子呢要每天打掃啊，做不到了吧？
你怎么知道我没有？
看样子就知道没有。
你不会觉得我很有洁癖吗？
看不太出来嘞，
骗不过你是真的。我是屋要年年扫，
一年扫一次，哇，那很可怕哎。
但是这个是说屋子要天天扫就对了。
对。
Okay, so the second part of this idiom is saying how you should clean the house every day. 怎么说？
屋愛朝朝收，
屋愛朝朝收。屋 that means your house. 愛 you need to.早早收就是早早 every morning 是早上的意思了，对不对？每早每天。All right, let's hear the explanation entirely in English right now.
One particular Hakka saying teaches us the importance of diligence, telling us that individuals need to look after their houses the same way farmers tend to their fields on a daily basis. If a farmer neglects his fields, then his crops will wither, rot, and die. If one does not diligently look after his house, then a thick layer of dust will accumulate.The same concept applies to all aspects of life. Regardless of the task at hand, success is the result of hard work and due diligence.
And back to the idiom, let's have Leo say it again on the air.
田愛年年多，屋愛朝朝收。
And there you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.